sorry to interrupt your fun, ladies and gentlemen. I am Gloria Strickland, and I am the Chief Executive Officer of Hazard Valuation and Eco-Crisis Management at the studio. I just need to speak with your tour guide for a minute.
It is I, the Night Weasel.
Where do you think you're going?
I'm taking them to the back lot for the sack race.
I'm afraid that is out of the question.
No, we must race the sacks.
Had you bothered to check in with our self-serve employee info kiosks when you clocked in this evening, you would know that that area is under a chartreuse level threat assessment and off limits to employees and the public.
Why did you choose chartreuse? It's difficult to say.
Our data suggests that the color red panics people. Look, those are very old structures. They are riddled with termites, infested with vermin. Why, the whole place is crawling with bugs.
No, anything but bugs.
Are you tired of humans? Are you sick of being stepped on, squashed, swatted, and sprayed? Then call the Exterminatorz, the #1 name in human pest control.
Hey Larry, how are you doing?
Call the Exterminatorz now, the #1 name in human pest control. Most humane methods are guaranteed to kill pests.
Pterodactyls are just...
This is outrageous. I want to speak to your manager right now. Do you hear me? I am talking to you, Missy. What are you looking at? This is unacceptable. No! We can see the bleeding we're going to get this place. You're a star, my friend. Speak up, Kenny. Speak up. What? Got to louder.
You never get used to that smell. Brothers and sisters, it's time to rise up from the sewer. Free yourselves from the cages of travel.
Ooh.
And y'all make sure you don't step on the stair.
Remember, what have humans ever done for us? Except try to eradicate us from this planet. Humans, with their inflated life expectancy, greedily consuming all of our natural resources, exterminate. Rise up, my brothers and sisters. Cast off those steps. Free yourself from the trap of oppressors, and let them feel the sting of our wrath. I've got the one thing no human pest can resist. The spoon.
Uh-oh. Not the... Aww. That's so cute. Ooh, is this where the Scrooge is? Free to humans. All right. Ooh. Hi, Larry.
Sorry.
Hey, Larry. Oh. See? Oh, you. Oh, okay. Yeah.
All right, 1, 2, and 3. All right.
Thank you, Larry.
I'm gonna get one too.
Oh no, it's a giant human trap. Ah! Ah! Oop. Excuse us. Thank you. That was clever use of the small space.
The exterminators today, and make your human problem go away.
Ooh! I can't.